Okay, hey y'all, it's Brooke. I think this is part 4. I'm pretty sure it's part 4. And I wanted to come and show you how I came up with my tab system. And I had this idea of not gluing on the tabs to the side. I wanted to make it where, say, you only have maybe 5 appetizer recipes, and I didn't want to have 16 pockets for that. You see what I'm saying? So what I made was kind of raggedy, you know, like Nick, the Booksmith's raggeties that she does. So I made a tab that you can just insert, like it says appetizers on here. And then I did a collage of these printouts that I have from old cookbooks that are my mom's. And I took them and scanned them in. And you just stick it in the page. And on the back side of it, I made an envelope. So you can fill it with whatever. Fill it with recipes cut out of magazines, whatever. But that's how it looks. It's like her raggeties that stick out, and I'll show you. All right, say you got your appetizers, this page and this page here. So you would just stick it in there, and it would stick out like that. And I think it looks pretty cool. All right, now I'll show you all of them, and then we'll put them in the book and see how it looks. All right, that one's the appetizer. This one is sides. And that's from an old cookbook, a little tab, and all of them have sewing on them, and this is this envelope. Trying to make sure I'm not too close. And that's that envelope. So there's the sides. Soup and salads. Another cookbook. A little cutout of them, what do you call those? Oven mitts. And I put a little piece of trim on there. And then its envelope looks like that. It's got a little tea advertisement on there. Soup and salad. Main dish. Another cookbook. A little, like I made that into just a little tab. And then this one's got that one on it. And there's it, this envelope. And each one I put one of those like milk, I don't even know what you call those things. But I found them free online. And then this one is bread. Another cutout. Biscuits, pastry. And then here's its envelope. But you see how everything's all raggedy and sticking out. And that's an advertisement for Heel, Egg, and Cream Beater. That's that one. Bread. And then this one's my favorite. The dessert. That's my favorite cookbook cover that I have. I put this one on my personal recipe organizer. And then there's the envelope for this one. And I just made the envelopes from a piece of scrapbook paper and my envelope punch board, and I looked up 8.5. It's like 8.5 by 5.5, and I just scored it at that and made that envelope. And then these things I got at the dollar store, at the Dollar Tree for $1. I'll show it to you. There it is. 20 pairs of fastener dots for $1. Awesome. Okay, let's stick them in the book. See how it looks. All right, I'm gonna go back this way. All right, let's say 1, 2 pages. We're gonna stick in the dessert. I haven't done this yet, so let's go this many pages for bread. And then 1 page, I'll do main dish. I know it'll all be different for everybody. I'm just well, let's go 3 pages on that. And then 2 pages on soup and salad. page on sides, 2 pages on, oh, the sides, let's see. Let's go by right here. And then appetizers, I'll put right here. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. I love it. Well, let's see if we can tie it up. I'm gonna say yes. Oh yeah. So cute. It's precious. Look at all the things sticking out. I love it. I was gonna put this one on Etsy. I might still, but I don't know. I think I might keep it. But see how everything's sticking out the top and the bottom. I love it. Okay, the next video is going to be of me putting in the actual index cards, papers for your recipes, and then I'll do a final walkthrough, and that'll be it. All right, guys, thanks for watching.